Assalamu alaikum ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Our subject today is phonics. The topic is about sound of a. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of a correctly. Recognize some words that begin with the sound of a. Match pictures that begin with the sound of a. And color the pictures that begin with the sound of a. Let's say the a sound. This is a small a. The sound of a is a. A. The sound of a is a. A. This is an ant. A. Ant. A. Ant. This is an axe. A. Axe. A. Axe. This is an apple. A. Apple. A. Apple. This is an alligator. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. This is an ambulance. A. Ambulance. A. Ambulance. This is an ankle. A. Ankle. A. Ankle. This is an arrow. A. Arrow. A. Arrow. This is an anchor. A. Anchor. A. Anchor. Let's match pictures that begin with the sound of a. The first picture is a ball. 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 It starts with a b sound. Letter B. Ball. It starts with a b sound, not with the a sound. Let's cross it out. The next picture is an apple. A. Apple. A. Apple. It starts with the a sound, letter A. A. Apple. It starts with the a sound. Let's match to the letter A. The next picture is an arrow. A. Arrow. A. Arrow. It starts with the a sound. Let's match to a letter A. The last picture is an ant. A. Ant. A. Ant. It starts with the a sound, letter A. A. Ant. So let's match to the letter A. sound of A. Say the A sound and then color the picture that starts with the A sound. The first picture is an apple. Apple. It starts with the A sound. So let's color it. Apple. It starts with the A sound. The next picture is a ball. 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 It starts with the B sound, letter B. Ball. It starts with the B sound, not with the A sound. So don't color it. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more video. Assalamu alaikum.